Doorstops are often necessary, often ugly. I don't know how many times I've stubbed a toe walking barefoot in the house and hit a doorstop in the middle of the night, particularly if it's one of those doorstops screwed into the floor. And then maybe you got one of those spring-like ones sticking out of the wall and you're trying to be real quiet and you hit it and it goes boing and wakes everybody up and you thought you were sneaking around. Doorstops are a problem. I'm going to show you the doorstop that you dreamed could never happen. Okay, this is actually a new product in the market, and I made a little model to show it to you here. This is my door. Now, that's not a very fancy door, but that's my door. And that little thing there that looks very unobtrusive is the doorstop. But when I close the door, it stops. And it stops very well. It opens easily, and it stops. It won't go that way. It will go this way. Okay, what's going on? Well, let's take a look underneath. You see, there's a sleeve down there and then a pin in there. And as I come across like this, watch that pin jump. It comes up into the socket on the door. And if you look around this side, you can follow me with the camera, I cut this open to show you there's a great big magnet here that is set inside the door that draws that up. So now let me just open this and I'm going to cheat this up just enough that I can grab a hold of it. There we go. That's the pin. And it's a very long piece of steel in a transparent sleeve. And when we come up here, if I tip this whole thing up, there's a strike plate that's sloped on one side and not sloped on the other side. And this thing, you can get anywhere near it, it's a very solid connection. In fact, got to work a little bit to pull it off. So this is called the Phantom Doorstop. And I actually want to take you to a real door here. It's an ad from the Phantom company on their website, phantomhardware.ca. The links are down below the video screen there. But just take a look in a real door, just what this is all about. A South Australian company. So you drill a hole in the bottom, stick the magnet in, put that down. Now a hole in the floor, concrete floor, wooden floor, anything. Put that in so it stays. Mine's transparent. This one's white. You can get them metallic. You see it pop up? Now this one has a little sort of a lip coming down. Mine doesn't have that, but it stops just as well. There it is coming up again. That's the Phantom Doorstop. It's absolutely the best doorstop that I've ever seen. And I think that this thing is very worthwhile. It costs about $35, and there are links down below that will lead you to the website, but it's also available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. So a really, really, you look at it and you say it's a gadget, I don't want to spend money and try it and put a hole in my door. This is a good one. It's going to work for you. Okay. Yeah, my seal of approval if that's worth anything.